To import the file to the WinOLS, we use Volkswagen New Beetle 2, 5L16 TFSI with Bosch MIDI 17.5 ECU's original file. We can drag and drop and import the dump to the WinOLS. Also, from the toolbar section in the project, New File, you can select the intended file and load it in WinOLS. The initial information of the file is shown in the information section. In the next section, click on the Ignore Similar project and continue. In this section, you see the information related to the checksum. The checksum is a kind of control algorithm in the ECU that is provided by its manufacturers to prevent the changes in the file. WinOLS can calculate the checksum. And in our training course, we will thoroughly describe the checksum. In this section, you can see the vehicle information, and if the information does not show, fill in the blanks yourself and complete the vehicle's information. When you import the file to WinOLS, it automatically searches the dump until you find the different maps in the ECU dump. After the searching finishes, a number of maps as a potential map is found. For instance, here you can see around 390 maps are located. These potential map tables include all main tables in ECU control, like a table of ignition, fuel, torque, turbo pressure, and etc. It is important to remember that the original files contain a huge amount of information, but only a small portion is related to engine calibration. However, not all of them need to be changed. And we only change the requested tables. For example, by changing the turbo boost. We can change the power and torque of the engine or reduce fuel consumption with the fuel injection table. The first thing you notice here is that, unlike ECM Titania, this software does not include driver, category, and table names. The display of information in WinOLS is in hex format, which can be seen as a decimal by pressing 255. It is always better to turn on the 255 after inserting the dump into the WinOLS to see it numerically. If we pull the bar on the right down, we can overview the whole dump. As we move down, we see a table and some dump areas. These are the tables that WinOLS has chosen as a potential map. If we click on each table, it is opened and placed on the left, which means you can list some of the tables you need here. Note that each table has its own 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional views. (2D) and 3D views helps us quickly identify tables just by selecting the option. As you can see in this video, by pressing the F key, we can search the tables and select the suitable tables for the remap. You can also return to the previous table by pressing Shift plus F if necessary. It is also possible to search tables in 2D view. This method is used to find different tables in the ECU. If you want to select a part of the dump separately from the potential map, you can highlight that area and press the K key. For instance, I select this area and then press the K key. You will see that this area is placed as a table in my map section. In general, WinOLS allows us to search inside the dump and, with technical knowledge, find tuning tables such as torque limiter, spark advance, fuel table, and etc. And select and modify them. In the following, we will teach you how to change tables, use a map pack, and compare two maps